Curb appeal isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a warm, inviting exterior that makes your home stand out in the neighborhood. In Colombia, where charming streetscapes and architectural diversity define the city's appeal, your home's windows play a crucial role in making a lasting first impression. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to fall in love with your home all over again, choosing the right windows can dramatically elevate your property's visual impact and value. Why windows matter for curb appeal. Windows are more than just openings in your walls. They're architectural features that shape your home's personality. The right window design can highlight symmetry, add depth, and harmonize your exterior with surrounding landscapes and neighboring homes. In Colombia, where traditional brick homes, modern new builds, and historic properties coexist, selecting windows that match your home's style ensures your exterior looks polished and cohesive. Moreover, windows influence both daytime and nighttime aesthetics. During the day, they catch light, reflect surroundings, and provide visual balance. At night, they glow warmly from within, offering a welcoming vibe that enhances street presence. Window styles that transform exteriors. When considering new windows, it's essential to match style with structure. Here are some popular window types that add elegance and character to Colombia homes. Double-hung windows. It's a timeless choice that suits colonial, farmhouse, and traditional homes. Their clean, vertical lines and symmetrical design work beautifully with shutters and window boxes, adding a classic southern charm. Casement windows. Hinged on the side and opening outward, casement windows offer unobstructed views and clean lines. They're ideal for modern and contemporary homes in Colombia's growing residential developments. Bay and bow windows. These extend outward from the home, creating architectural drama while adding interior space. Perfect for living rooms or dining areas, they also add dimensional interest to your facade. Picture windows. With expansive glass panes and minimal framing, picture windows flood interiors with light and give a sleek, modern look. They're especially stunning in homes with scenic backyard views. Choosing the right frame material. Selecting the right window frame material isn't just about looks, it affects durability, energy efficiency, and maintenance. Colombia's humid subtropical climate means materials must withstand moisture and heat while retaining their visual appeal. Vinyl. Affordable, low maintenance, and energy efficient. It comes in a variety of colors and styles to complement any home exterior. Wood. Offers a natural, warm aesthetic, perfect for historic renovations or traditional homes. It does require more upkeep but adds undeniable charm. Fiberglass. Extremely durable and weather-resistant, fiberglass can mimic the look of wood with less maintenance. Aluminum. Sleek and strong, aluminum works well for contemporary designs but may require thermal breaks for energy efficiency. Customization for maximum impact. To make your home truly stand out, consider custom window details that enhance both beauty and character. Grills and grid patterns. From colonial to prairie style, grills add historical depth or geometric flair depending on the pattern. Decorative glass. Stained or frosted glass adds privacy and sophistication, especially for transoms or entryway windows. Trim and casing. Bold trim in a contrasting color can frame windows dramatically, adding definition and charm. The bonus. Increased home value. Upgrading your windows not only beautifies your home but also boosts its resale value. In Colombia's competitive housing market, well-chosen windows signal to buyers that the property is well-maintained, energy efficient, and thoughtfully designed. The right windows can yield a high return on investment, especially when combined with enhanced insulation and energy-saving glass technologies. Final thought. Enhancing your Colombia home's curb appeal begins with thoughtful choices, and few elements offer the transformational power of the right windows. From boosting your exterior's visual harmony to increasing home value and efficiency, upgrading your windows is an investment that pays off in both pride and profit. Whether you lean toward the classic charm of double-hung windows or the bold statement of a bay window, your home's new face will shine with renewed elegance and personality.